Today, we dive into the astonishing rise of Sophie Rain, a young star who's turning heads in Hollywood and breaking the internet with every move. Born on September 22, 2004, in Miami, Florida, Sophie Rain's story is a true rise from the ashes tale. Raised in Tampa by a Filipino mother and a white American father, she grew up facing financial hardship, even relying on food stamps, yet held firm to her Christian values through regular church attendance. Guys, I've been making videos for you guys, so I need much more support from you and create more astonishing content. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be up to date. Sophie first made waves in Hollywood with her breakthrough role in the 2018 indie film Lost in the Echo, followed by critical acclaim in the 2020 TV drama City Lights, earning her a nomination for Best Supporting Actress. But Sophie didn't stop at acting. She built a massive online presence that skyrocketed her to even greater fame, joining OnlyFans and revealing an astonishing $43 million in gross earnings by 2024.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Despite early legal challenges and content ownership issues, she transformed adversity into opportunity, using her platform to advocate for mental health and support her family, even paying off her parents' debts. With a net worth estimated at $5 million and a grounded, down-to-earth spirit, Sophie Rain stands as a powerful symbol of resilience, ambition, and modern celebrity success.